Sorry, wetin they even dey talk?
She what?
The man tell you say I dey purge for phone.
You dey purge? So you no fit make my hair now.
I no fit make her. This one, so I wan lose this set. Make her get.
You know where I'm from, Trey, come here. You know
No
good
vex, go here.
So I should come in the evening.
Yes.
Not disappoint
I no
you.
go disappoint you.
Every time you are purging.
No
Every time you are purging. This one, every time you are purging.
vex.
If you disappoint me in the evening, I will deal with
I no go.
you. Every time when I go to eat mama food.
Full time.
Just one come make here, you go dey purge,
No
go dey
vex,
purge.
you go into
It's
the
a
vex.
story. What tonight again?
No vex.
Hello, find your half and what's up now?
Hey!
Not too bad, though. I like you.
You like me? I want to go buy food.
Fufu? Wow, I'm on Igbo there. Na Igbo food without. I like this address, you know.
Abi.
Hey!
I like and what's up now? I'm gonna go back now.
Oga beg, talk.
Wait
Which one
now.
you like? You like this one? You like this one?
Nah, if you won't go back, we go back because the person wey tell say like food. Now I like your dressing. So now you go come back
Tell me say
together.
you like my dress. Don't
I
say
like
one
you there now.
Why
I like your dress. Now I like the food everyone chop now.
Abi?
I like her
So why
die.
you come to me?
I'm gonna start with you because I'm in love with you.
You're in love with me.
Die.
You don't see me now, you don't dey love
I'm
me.
gonna give your dress.
I thought you dey love me.
You go add boy go see
You don't
Nigeria.
dey love me.
You go add boy go see Nigeria woman dressed like this waka pass for street now.
I know.
Yeah, so that's why I say I love this your dress, love everything.
Oga, wait, abeg.
Wait now, no be like that now.
Hey!
No be like that. Now don't they follow you talk.
You done, you be done. What make you done?
My guys, me and I no be mouth oh. You know you dey follow talk.
Done, you can't dey use like the waka.
And if my motorcycle you see me, now me see you where they waka pass, now me stop you
Now
now.
you get this thing for up.
For
up.
If you enter it, I go not say no be
This
for up
matches
now.
box.
Oh baby, this
Now you dey call car.
maybe na Ebola.
You get 11 Pro Max. Abi iPhone 12. Which one you get?
Jesus is Lord!
Calm down, I'm in love with your dress now. We move this together now.
You know what?
Oh yeah, now move talk.
I will give you trial.
And as soon as they talk, I go try. I go accept.
But before I go accept you,
No wahala.
I want to ask you a few questions.
Continue.
You get rats in your house?
Calm down. Now that's no. I don't have this. I don't
You get cockroaches?
Hey!
You no get cockroaches?
Okay.
Now if you say me and you no go fit.
Why now?
See, see rats and cockroaches. They be like slave queens. They go where food dey. As you dey now, you don't show say you no get money. You no get
Igbo
anything.
woman. Calm down.
Rats and cockroaches supposed to dey, mingle in your plate to show say you get money.
When you enter, you go
Me, I
know
be like rats
now.
and cockroaches. Na where food dey they go.
When you
what?
come inside, you
I
know
be
say you
rat.
go chop tire. Now the food now be the problem.
Abeg come on, you no get anything.
Calm down. No be like that.
Abeg come on. I'm a gish me. I'm a pushing me.
Baby, if you want kill me, kill me. I go die for your love. If you want kill me, kill me.
You be mumu.
If you want my wash your price, I go.
You just wait.